All right, fuel injection cleaning. Do I really need it? The short answer is absolutely yes. I highly recommend fuel injection cleaning. I personally had bad injectors that were cleaned up using a process, fuel injection cleaning, which I'll get into in a little bit. But absolutely, it's worth the money. One cost of repairing one injector, replacing one injector will pay literally for years worth of fuel injection services. Now there's a couple different grades to it. There's the kind of stuff you just throw in the gas, right? And a lot of the stuff at the quick lubes, they do something similar to that. And it's effective, but it's more of a maintaining thing where you can do, but it's not really a service that's gonna get rid of the deposits. And it's something that's gonna be heavy duty hit to clean out those injectors and get them sparkling new again.